Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mushroom omelet. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, about 1/2 cup of sliced mushrooms, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Don't forget your salt, pepper, and any fresh herbs you enjoy, like chives. A good 8-inch nonstick pan is also essential for a perfect omelet. Now, let's prepare those flavorful mushrooms. Melt about 1 teaspoon of butter in your pan over a medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add your sliced mushrooms. Sauté them gently until they become tender and beautifully browned. A light seasoning of salt and pepper at this stage will enhance their natural taste, making them a perfect filling. Next, we'll cook the omelet itself. Whisk your 2 or 3 eggs vigorously with a splash of water or milk until they are light and frothy. Pour the egg mixture into your hot, buttered pan, swirling it gently to coat the entire bottom. Cook over medium-low heat until the edges are set and the center is still just a little moist, indicating a perfectly tender omelet. Finally, it's time to fill and serve your masterpiece. Spoon your delicious sautéed mushrooms onto 1/2 of the cooked omelet. Then, using a spatula, carefully fold the other half of the omelet over the mushroom filling. Gently slide your beautifully folded omelet onto a plate. Serve it immediately for the best flavor and texture. Enjoy your homemade mushroom omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.